G'day, gents. I hope you guys are well. Just making this video for those of you who are working from home. As you know, if you are working from home, the work for each lesson, for each period that you have class, for any of your subjects, will still be accessible to you via the class MassCom pages. Okay, so a quick reminder, if you log on to MassCom and you click onto your class page for the period and you don't see anything there, can you please email your teacher for that class as soon as possible, okay, to let them know. But this will be the case for RE, for Year 7, particularly if you are working from home. So I'm just going through what we're doing today. So our period earlier today was to finish the movie Wonder, and you should have finished the questions on the worksheet for Wonder to the best of your ability. For this period 6, we are going to start the assignment on human dignity and on Wonder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the assignment, explain it, and then give you a period to start working on it. So as usual, you go to our class page, Year 7 RE, and you scroll down to where it says Human Dignity Assessment Task. By the way, when you're working from home, you don't need to mark your attendance. It's just assumed that you are here. Okay? So you click on Human Dignity Assessment Task and you've got the assessment task here. Okay? So you click on that and you download it and it'll open up as this document that we've got here. Okay, so just walking you through it, our unit's focused on human dignity, and it talks about what is human dignity. It means that we're all made in God's image. That means we're all unique, we're all equal, we're all worthy of respect in God's eyes, and we should therefore treat each other with that same respect. And it talks a little bit about that. The assessment task is going to be basically an assignment broken up into 4 sections. Okay, so section 1 is really just short answers on the movie. So additional questions from the movie. So if you've done the worksheet for the movie, some of these might overlap, and some of the answers that you provided in the worksheet might help you answer these. So again, this is assessed, this is going on your report, and you're writing as much detail and as clearly in your best English as you can, full sentences to all these questions. Okay, and as we scroll down, there's 5 questions. Okay, second task, task 2, is a Bible references task. So you're given you write a statement for each Bible reference that you're given. So you're given a few, and you write what you think that reference means. So you read it. So for example, if you're looking up Galatians 3:28, you look that up, you read it, and then you tell me what you basically tell me what it is, what it says, and in your own words, and then you tell me what you think it means to you with regards to human dignity being made in God's image. Okay, and then the third thing you do is you need to give me an example of this statement from the Bible in the movie. So you really have to think about outside the box. You need to think outside the box and think about how did the characters and the situations in the movie talk about this statement from the Bible. Okay, and you're doing those things for these 5 Bible verses. Okay, so you do it for John 13:16, same thing. You look it up, you read it, you put it in your own words where it says statement, then you tell me what it means to you, and then you give me an example from the movie and do this for each of these Bible verses. Once that's done, you've got the third part of the assignment, which is a prayer card. Okay, below is a prayer for human dignity. Design a prayer card with a below prayer. Your prayer card should have a suitable image that represents the prayer and what human dignity means to you. So use this prayer, you can add to it, but you certainly got to make it a prayer card. Okay, do it online, you can do it on Publisher, you can do it on Microsoft Word, whatever program you'd like to use. Make it a 1-page card, poster, with this prayer on it, and you might have colors, you might have images, Catholic symbols, about human dignity, about Jesus, whatever. It's all up to you, and it's for you to be really creative here. Okay, and you might want to add a bit more to that prayer to make it more personal. And then part 4 of the assignment is you're going to do a 3-day diary entry. You are imagining that you are one of the main characters from the film, Wonder, and you're writing a diary for 3 days in the life of that character. The days should involve interactions with others. Try and show off your knowledge of human dignity in the thoughts of the character you choose. The days do not have to be consecutive, but they should be about the same interaction or scenario. Okay, you must write at least 300 words. So 100 words each, 150 words each, a diary entry. Okay, so think about the characters in the movie, pick one character and pick 3 things you want to write a diary entry about. 3 things that that character experienced. Might have been in the film, might have been upset, he might have got upset and got in trouble. You might want a diary entry about that. And what does it say about human dignity? You might have a moment of reconciliation, of healing, of saying sorry. You might have a moment of experiencing friendship because of human dignity. Or you might have a moment where a character stood up for another character to defend their human dignity. Totally up to you. Pick one character and pick 3 and make 3 diary entries based on 3 events or experiences that that character had in the movie. Okay, then that's it. You're doing 4 parts to this assignment, and you will have quite a few lessons on it. So we have today's lesson, you'll have tomorrow's lesson, you'll have Friday's lesson, and you will have Tuesday's lesson. And then we'll see if we give you Wednesday or not. Okay, but this will be due on Wednesday the 17th. So today's the 9th. You have a bit more than a week with at least 4 or 5 lessons in there, probably 5 lessons to work on this. Okay, so 5 lessons, that's more than 1 lesson for the parts that you've got. So plenty of time. You need to make the most of it. You need to be logging on for your periods at that time so that you can make the most of this free time to work on your assignment to get it done. Of course, you can ask me any questions you have about the assignment. Just send me an email or use the class blog to ask me questions, but probably email would be better. Okay, I'm happy to help you. But again, if you're stuck on anything, leave it, go to the next part, come back to it once I've responded to your email. Okay, one thing you do need to do, as you always should be doing with any assignment for any subject, is as you're doing this and before you submit your final copy, okay, you need to go through this assessment rubric and make sure that you're ticking all these boxes. If you want a very high, which is an A+, you should be doing everything in this column here. Okay, you're getting marked on these 4 things here. Detail in your response. So detail, depth, elaboration. Okay, not one-word answers or one-line answers. Explanations, deep explanations. Discussion of human dignity, a good discussion of human dignity. Talk about what the Bible says, what Jesus says for us, how does God see us? Why do we have human dignity? Okay, because we're made in God's image. What does that mean to be made in God's image? Okay, here. Mechanics of writing. Obviously, your writing needs to be as professional as it can be, as though you were writing an English piece of writing. Okay, so proper grammar, proper spelling, okay, capital letters, full stops, commas, okay, proofread before you submit it. Don't just type up whatever and then don't read through it. Read through it a couple times. Improve it to make sure that it reads really well. And then last but not least, creativity and effort. Okay, be creative in how you present your prayer card. Be creative of your diary entries. Really put yourself in the character's shoes. Pretend to be them. Write like they would speak. Okay, think like they would think at different times in the movie. Okay, and that's what you're getting marked on. Okay, so if you want to do really well, make sure that you're checking the rubric to see that you're doing all these things here in this very high column, because that is how I'm marking you. Okay, so boys, good luck with that. Enjoy this period. Make the most of it, and if you need me, send me an email. All right. Um, yeah, good luck, and I'll speak to you soon. All right. Thanks, boys.